Hey guys, so this is a video of my Camaro. It's 1994. It's a Camaro with a V6. It's 3.4 liter. Got a couple of issues. It's running rich. I'm not really sure why. I pulled all the injectors out. All the injectors are covered with black soot. I'm pretty sure that's an indication that it's running real rich and it has a real strong exhaust smell. Here's something that I thought may be the problem. That I think that's the PCV valve. It's covered in electrical tape. I haven't uncovered it yet. When it runs, it sounds like it has a camshaft, or like an aftermarket camshaft, but it doesn't. And like I said, you know, it's got the real strong exhaust smell. But I'm going to go ahead and start it up. Yeah, it starts up real fine and easy. If you look at it, it sits at 1,000 RPMs. Oh, and it just died. My low oil light is on, but I checked my oil dipstick and it doesn't show that I have low oil. See if you can hear it. This is what it sounds like. Check the fluids in the engine. The fluids don't seem to be mixing, because I thought maybe there could have been some other kind of problem. You know, I checked it just for a possibility anyways, and none of the fluids seem to be cross-contaminating either. And all I can assume is that smoke right there is from it running too rich. It has a really strong exhaust smell to it. You know, stronger than a normal vehicle would smell, and it's kind of like a grayish, blackish color. It's a little bit darker. It's not white. So just tell me what you guys think.